Hey there, fellow decor enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Deco Diva channel, where we dive into everything home decor and design inspiration. I'm Cora, and today, we're creating the perfect cozy reading nook inspired by English country charm. Whether you love getting lost in a good book or simply enjoy a cozy corner in your home, this video is packed with ideas to help you create a space that's warm, inviting, and full of character. Before we jump into all the cozy goodness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a like if you're excited about this design journey, and leave a comment below with your favorite cozy nook essentials. We love hearing from you, so share your thoughts with us as we explore these charming ideas. The first step in creating a cozy reading nook is choosing the perfect location. Look for a spot that's quiet and free from distractions, where you can truly unwind. It could be by a window with lots of natural light or tucked away in a corner that's hidden from the rest of the house. Think about the areas in your home that make you feel most at ease and start there. If you have a larger space, you can dedicate an entire corner just for your reading nook. For smaller homes, make use of alcoves or unused spaces, such as under a staircase or in an entryway. English country style thrives in cozy, unexpected spaces, so even a small corner can be transformed into your perfect reading retreat. When it comes to a cozy reading nook, comfort is key. You'll want a chair or seating area that invites you to sink in and stay for hours. Think oversized armchairs, plush cushions, or a classic wingback chair with soft fabric like linen or velvet. English country style often incorporates vintage-inspired or well-worn furniture, so don't be afraid to mix old and new pieces. For an extra touch of coziness, layer your seating with soft throws and patterned pillows. Floral prints, stripes, and tartan checks are all great choices for an English countryside feel. Remember, the more inviting and comfortable your chair, the more you'll want to curl up with a good book. Lighting can make or break the atmosphere in your reading nook, so aim for soft, warm light. A classic English country nook calls for a combination of natural light and ambient lighting. If your nook is near a window, make the most of natural light during the day. At night, consider adding a table lamp with a vintage-inspired shade or a floor lamp with a traditional design. For that true English charm, consider a chandelier or pendant light to add a touch of elegance, especially if your nook is part of a larger room. String lights or fairy lights woven through plants or along shelves can add a whimsical, cozy atmosphere, perfect for those long, cozy evenings spent reading. A beautiful rug is a simple way to enhance the comfort of your reading nook. English country style often features rugs with floral patterns, soft wool textures, or classic plaid designs. Choose a rug that complements the color scheme of your nook and ties together the seating area. A soft wool rug is ideal for adding warmth, especially in cooler months. Not only does a rug add a cozy factor, but it also helps define the space. If you're working with an open-plan room, a rug can create a designated nook without needing to build walls or partitions. Don't forget to choose a rug size that fits the scale of your space. Too small, and it'll feel disconnected. Too large, and it could overwhelm the nook's charm. To create an inviting atmosphere, layer different fabrics and textures in your reading nook. English country style is all about comfort, so don't be shy when it comes to soft materials. Think velvet cushions, wool throws, and linen curtains that flow beautifully around your space. The goal is to create a warm, tactile experience that's perfect for relaxing. Layering fabrics also adds visual interest. Mix and match different patterns and textures to evoke a sense of warmth and charm. You could even consider adding a quilt or an antique textile to infuse a personal touch and tell a story through your decor. The more comfortable and tactile your nook is, the more you'll want to spend time there. No English country-inspired space is complete without some greenery. Incorporating plants into your reading nook adds life, freshness, and a bit of nature indoors. Consider adding a tall potted plant like a fern or an ivy to bring a sense of natural elegance. Smaller plants can also be placed on a windowsill or hanging from the ceiling to create depth. For the full English country charm, try a mix of flowering plants or even an herb garden if you have the space. Not only do plants bring beauty to your nook, but they also improve air quality, making it an even more pleasant place to relax and read. A cozy reading nook is all about creating a personal retreat. Add items that reflect your personality and interests. A well-loved stack of books, antique teacups, or framed family photos can all give your nook a unique touch. Incorporating vintage elements, such as old clocks or mirrors, will bring that quintessential English charm. A beautifully weathered wooden bookshelf or a vintage-style cart can be great for storing books or displaying other treasures. These personal touches make your reading nook not just a place to read, but a space that tells your story and makes you feel at home. The walls in your reading nook can elevate the entire look. For an English country-inspired space, consider soft pastel colors, muted floral wallpaper, or even wood paneling. A feature wall with a vintage wallpaper print, like roses or stripes, can immediately add a sense of old-world charm. Alternatively, painted shiplap or a weathered wooden wall can create a rustic, cozy atmosphere that complements the warmth of your furniture and textiles. Whatever wall treatment you choose, aim for colors and textures that will make you feel relaxed and encourage long reading sessions. You'll need somewhere to store all your books and cozy items. An English country nook often features charming storage solutions like wicker baskets, vintage trunks, or wooden crates. These pieces not only add to the rustic charm but also help keep your space organized and tidy. Consider using a vintage-style cart to store your books, or add a charming cabinet to keep reading glasses, bookmarks, and other small essentials within reach. Clever storage can help your nook feel both functional and inviting, ensuring it stays as cozy as possible. Now it's time to add the finishing touches that really bring everything together. A few decorative pieces, like an antique clock, a classic teapot, or a soft throw blanket, will give your nook the perfect final touch. Don't forget about the importance of scent. A scented candle or a small diffuser with lavender or vanilla can add an extra layer of comfort to your space. You can also consider adding a cozy blanket ladder to drape your favorite throws, or a small side table to keep your cup of tea or coffee close by while reading. These small touches not only add charm but also make the space more functional and inviting. And there you have it, your very own cozy reading nook with all the charm and warmth of an English country retreat. I hope these ideas inspired you to create a space that you can truly relax and enjoy. Remember, your reading nook is your personal sanctuary, so make it your own. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know your favorite cozy nook ideas. I can't wait to hear how you bring English country charm into your own home. Until next time, happy decorating.